Alright, it's 2016 bike check. Alright, start off with the top. We're gonna go top and bottom. Okay. Alright. Demolition. Axis grips. That's what they are. Black, little flanges, they're nice. Very soft. Shadow Conspiracy deadbolt bar ends in black. Okay, zoom in on that. Zoom in on that first. Yeah, okay. Alright, then we got the Shadow Conspiracy 8.5 rise bars in matte black. But I'm gonna be getting fit one soon. Shout out Marsh. Okay. Sunday Freeze top load white stem 52mm reach. 53mm reach. I'm sorry about that. You getting on that? Alright. Tree cap in red. Shadow headset. It spins pretty nice, You see how. Okay, it spins decent. I can't spin it it spins like 13 times, but it's whatever. Frame is the Fit Savage frame, because I'm a savage, of course. In mint, it's the limited edition mint. 21.25. Eastern forks, hollowed out chromoly. Front wheel is a Merlot with a mission sealed female axle hub. And then in the front, we got the Duo SVS 2.25 white wall tire. Cranks, we got the Eastern matte black cranks. They're alright, they do the job, This is a profile 26 tooth sprocket. It's alright, just got it in black. Stolen revolver, bottom bracket, and I got it in white. I'll actually spin it around for you. See that? Alright. Then we got the stolen thermalite pedals in white with the metal pins. So that's nice. They grip really well. There's a car. Kink solo seat, pivotal with the red Shadow Conspiracy seat post. Then we got the some type of KMC chain. It's pretty nice, It's red. What is it? KMC Colt chain or something like that. Cool. There you go. Cool chain in red. Has these little hollow things in it. Looks pretty cool. Jiggles a lot though. Makes a lot of noise. It's alright though. Back wheel's a Colony, full Colony wheel, free coaster with the Duo SVS 2.25 in the back. And then I got these little cinema valve caps. Alright, now what you guys all been waiting for, my hub sound. Here we go. This thing's loud as ever. Hear that? Listen to that, dude. Pure hub, okay? Alright, thank you for the bike check. Subscribe.